Hi guys, today we're going to rate Jollibee of Dubai. We're going to compare it to how it tastes like compared to the Jollibee in the Philippines
And in Saudi
and
Arabia.
in Saudi Arabia. Yes. May Jollibee pala dun.
Yes.
So we got Jolly Spaghetti and ano tawag?
Chicken Joy.
Chicken Joy
With the famous sauce.
with the famous gravy.
Gravy.
Tapos, we have the
Jollibee
Jollibee
pineapple juice.
pineapple juice. And for dessert, we have the peach mango pie. Ano, kain na.
So, we're trying the
I-rate
gravy.
mo yung ano,
Yeah.
yung chicken muna.
Chicken.
Sandali.
Chicken without the gravy. Let's check the crunchiness.
Pa lang?
Okay na.
Sarap, hindi.
Masarap.
Crunchy.
Because of
Crunchy
the balat.
factor.
The chicken skin.
Ay, sorry.
Now with the gravy.
Masarap. It's like from the Philippines.
Actually, this,
Can hear the crunch. Masarap. Going to rate the Jolly Spaghetti. Ang daming hot dogs. More than 2.
More than 2.
More than 2. Di ba sa Jollibee sa Pinas, konting-konti lang?
1 or 2. Depende sa contribution.
Exactly. Okay,
Let's try the sauce.
Masarap? Okay, I'm gonna try.
Pinoy style.
Mas masarap sa, spaghetti ni Mama? O hindi?
Siyempre, mas masarap ang spaghetti niya. Yung cheese hindi tinipid. Yung
It's
hotdog.
really good. Parang kuhang-kuha talaga yung Jollibee sa Pinas, di ba?
Yeah.
Pati yung hotdog, ganun din.
How much is this?
Nandun, sa receipt.
So it's $60 dirhams with the delivery charge. So parang
For
30.
double meal. For double meals.
30 dirhams.
Masarap,
For each.
guys. If namimiss mo na ang Jollibee and you are in Dubai, make sure to grab them at Dubai Mall Food Court.
Also Chowking.
Oh yeah, mayroon ding Chowking. Okay, next is the Jollibee pineapple juice.
So let's do the panuna. Ay, may
Cheers
may
tayo.
pala.
Ba't nasira?
There's a
Ano ba
scotch
yan?
tape.
Ay, may tape. Ay, tongik.
Oh. Jollibee, baka naman.
Jollibee, beke naman. Oh, cheers!
Ay.
It's the same.
It's the same, of course.
It's the same.
It's the same pineapple juice.
No, sometimes they improvise lang.
I miss the palamig in the Philippines. The one in the plastic.
Bukas nandun ka na, so... Ala! I-announce! Bukas nandun ka na.
Anyway,
Anyway.
this will be
10 out of 10 for the pineapple juice because that's my favorite. Last na. And for the last one, for dessert, we have the famous peach mango pie. Ay, sandali, ang dumi.
wow.
Peach mango pie.
Mukhang crunchy din siya, of course. And it's hot.
Let's break it. Sandali, nakakalat pa ako. Ooh. Ano, okay? What you think?
I miss Toron. Sabi mangga.
Just like you're in the Philippines na.
PG.
PG or piggy?
PG at the same
Piggy.
time.
Okay, that's all. Masarap. Order na sa Jollibee. Jollibee, baka naman. Bye. Anong nangyari?
So this is Jollibee after disaster.
And mine. I'm so busog. I'll eat the rest later.